All right, we're making a sea urchin pasta. So an olio based pasta, which is really simple olive oil and garlic with a few herbs and the spices. So we've got garlic, olive oil, some really nice handmade pasta here. It's going to be tossed through, and then we're going to crack this open, and I'm going to show you the sea urchin roe in the center, which is the delicacy. So slice it open, put it on top, and it's like the sea. It's like an oyster. It's like salty, it's fresh, and it's just all around delicious. The first step is we're going to flip our sea urchin over, and we are going to clean out the sea urchin roe. So what you need to do is grab yourself some scissors, and you're just going to cut around the mouth of the sea urchin, and then basically that falls out and the sea urchin roe is inside. So it's really, really quite simple. You've just got to be careful that you don't spike yourself. So I'm just putting a hole straight through the center just to drain out the salt water. Okay, so I'm just cleaning out the center of the sea urchin, and you can see here exactly what you're after right now. You can see the beautiful sea urchin eggs in the roe, which is the beautiful salty, fresh, taste of the ocean that you want in your pasta. This is the sea urchin roe. It doesn't look like much, but I'm telling you right now, it is a delicacy. It is delicious. It's like the ocean. It's salty, it's fresh, it's a punch of flavor in the mouth, so you don't need much, and that's why we're doing a really nice, simple pasta. It's a homage to the ingredient itself. What's that? All right, so we are cooking some really nice, fresh angel hair pasta. So boiling water, sort of heavily salted, straight in there, and just cook it till it's ready. You can use whatever pasta you have on hand. You can use pappardelle, you can use spaghettini. There's no real limits to what pasta you can use with this recipe. Because this pasta is fresh, it's only going to take a couple of minutes, so really quick. So we'll get our sauce on the boil, but with your pasta, if it's dry, just cook it as per packet. All right, an olio based sauce is an olive oil based sauce. So your first step is to get really good quality olive oil, some really nice fresh garlic and chili, and we're just going to slice that up nice and fine. So olive oil is the base to this pasta. So the first step is to heat the olive oil up, and then we're going to caramelize and cook down our garlic and our chili. So to our sauce, we're going to add a lot of pepper, a lot of cracked black pepper, a good pinch of salt as well. To our chili, our garlic and our olive oil, we're going to add our pasta. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fork it straight in there from the pasta water. A little bit more pasta water in there. All right, so that starch is releasing, and what it's doing is binding that olive oil with the pasta, so it's one beautiful creamy sauce. What we're going to do now is freshen it up with a few mint leaves folded through, some lemon juice and some lemon rind, and then the piece de resistance. We're going to fold through some of our sea urchin, and then we're going to garnish the top with the rest. So just garnish it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and finish it off with a little bit more sea urchin roe. All right, guys, that's how you turn this bad boy into this delicious Italian fine dining sea urchin pasta for under $5. If you're game, give it a try. Check out Bondi Harvest, and we'll see you very soon. You.